Welcome back to Afghan-Indian Kitchen. Today, we're making something super tasty and super healthy, sugar-free chocolate nut laddoos. These are packed with the goodness of macadamia, pistachios, dark chocolate, and sugar-free chocolate cookies. And the best part? They're refined sugar-free, loaded with flavor, and kids won't even know they're healthy. Just blend the nuts, and cookies add chocolate, cardamom, and cinnamon. Jaggery. Mix it up and roll them into laddoos. Now here comes the fun. Wrap each one in a chocolate wrapper and surprise your little ones with a chocolate treat that's actually good for them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more kid-approved recipes.